everyone, this is SheShe. I'm coming on to share with you some dies and projects from Surprise Creation on Aliexpress. So the first card that I have to share, I use Dream. I use this Butterfly, and it's like a doily type die, and it also pops up. And I use all the pieces in the set. So this is the card I created. It's really pretty. All the butterflies, you can like make them flutter by bending the wings. So that's how it looks. And then I just put the word Dream, and there's butterflies in the background paper. So I hope you like that. So I'm going to move on to the next card. I used this cute little penguin set and the word joy in this Happy Joy set, and this is the card I created. And I just have, I guess, the mama penguin looking down at the baby penguin, and then I just put some little snowflakes that came from this penguin up top just to show that it's snowing, but it's a good card for the holidays. And then I just put a little rhinestone right there for joy, so it looks like it's not a part of the word, but I didn't want to cut it off because I thought it looked nice like this. And I embossed the snow. Okay, the next die is Dreamer. I guess it goes like this. And I just made a simple card with this type of background. I put some black bat pearls on the D, and then I just inlaid some silver paper for the wings. I think that's wings or feathers. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a butterfly or what exactly, but it's feathers or wings or whatever for this card. So it's real simple. It takes up a lot of real estate on the card. This is an A2 size card, so that gives you an idea of how big the word dream is. And next is this card right here, and I have flowers going around the border, and I use the word love. That's also from the shop. So this is the die, and I put that on top. And then this is the set. I used a circle from another set just to outline the white circle, but you can definitely put some more flowers on there and layer it more with the leaf set that's in the center, but I didn't use that in this case. I thought it was nice just like this. So there's that card. Next I used the butterflies, and then I also used that same word love that I just shared, and this is the next card that I came up with, and I just put some rhinestones on all the butterflies and then the word love, and I thought it was really pretty. Okay, and next is another doily. This one has hearts, and it has a banner with the word love inside, as well as these little tiny hearts. I used the word hello, and then I made this card, and I just embossed the background with hearts, and this is where I put the love and the little tiny heart from the set, and then the word hello I just put on top of there, and then I used another die from my stash to put on top of the Heart Doily. So I think it turned out really pretty. Next is a Christmas card. I use these little corner dies. So I use this one right here for all 4 corners. And then I use this really fancy Merry Christmas die, which is really pretty. And then I embossed an oval and put some background paper or a background die. So it looks like this. I may inlay another color like over the Merry Christmas to make it pop more, but it's still pretty in person. It's hard to tell with the light shining on it. And then I just put some flat back pearls in all the corners. Okay, you may have seen this card on another video, but they have Let It Snow in their shop, and this is how the card turned out with the little penguin, and I put some little ornaments and a bow. I put a flat back pearl there, and I embossed the snow for the penguin, so that's how that turned out. Next I have just some cutouts of some dies that are really pretty, like this fancy thank you is really pretty. And this is the die. It's all one piece. And then this next one is all is calm, all is bright. And that's how it turns out. You're going to have to like glue this down because for whatever reason it kind of goes up some. So when it cuts out, you'll have to like glue this first and then kind of angle this a certain way so it all looks uniform, because the way it comes out of the die, it looks like that. So it's not crooked, it's just how the die cut on my machine, and it's not bent or anything. So the glue should help in keeping that straight. But that's what it says. All is calm, all is bright. And then here's the die. As you can see, it's one piece. It doesn't have that, you know, like that. For whatever reason, it just cuts out that way. But just a warning. And then the last die I have to share are these wings that you can make angels with. You can put the wings with hearts for Valentine's Day if you want. But I just put the wings in the back of this unicorn girl. So I thought she was really cute and would be really nice with the wings. So I'll probably make a card with her soon. I just had time to make all these cards today, and I'll be working on more projects. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you were inspired. I'll be back with more project shares. The links will be in the description box below for all the dies that I used on these projects so that you can find them, and if you want to recreate any of the cards I made. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.